Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs from the daily time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. So before that, when we look at the economical events plan for today is Friday, June 2nd. We have Italian bank holiday, and from 6 p.m. we have 3 high impact news for US dollar related currency pairs. So we can expect lots of volatility in gold for today. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. So I am in daily time frame now, and still when we look at the current trend of the price action, I am drawing a trend line. So based on this trend line, we can clearly notice that currently it is in a very strong bullish trend, because recently also when you notice it, the price has respected this trend line or the support line and has given a bounce back on the bullish side retracement, but still it has not broken the previous high. So the trend reversal has not taken place, but again it has respected this trend line or the support line. So we can expect the current bullish trend to continue as long as the price action is trading above this trend line. And when we look at the support and resistance zone based on the past price action and the Fibonacci levels, currently the price action has taken support at the 0.5% of the Fibonacci retracement level and has bounced back on the bullish side retracement, and this area between 1950 to 1937 is acting as a very strong support for the current price action. And when we look at the current level where the price action is trading, it is trading between the very strong resistance level between 1985 to 1968. Once the price action breaks this resistance level and continues its bullish side retracement, next level of resistance is going to be around 2007 to 2022. And once this level is breached, we can expect it to retest on the previous resistance level, which is going to be around 2050. And if the price action fails to break any of this resistance zone, we can expect the price action to bounce back to take support on the previous support level, because previous resistance level will become a support level for the future price action, and we can expect it to bounce back to retest on the previous resistance zone. So overall, the price action in daily time frame is on a bullish trend and it is trying to break the previous resistance level. Once the price action breaks the previous support level of 1950 to 1937, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal to start in daily time frame. And next level of support is going to be around 1908. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame, and we know from the past price action that it was trading on a bearish trend below this trend line or the resistance line. In my previous price action analysis also, I had highlighted that it was making a triple bottom, and we can notice that it has bounced back on the bullish side retracement. It has also clearly given the breakout from this previous resistance line, and here also it has given a confirmation on the bullish side trend reversal by retesting on the previous trend line. So this resistance line will become invalid. We'll draw a new support line for the current trend. So I have drawn a support line or a trend line. It is in a bullish trend for now, and we can expect the current bullish trend to continue as long as it is trading above this trend line or the support line. And presently it is testing the daily time frame resistance zone, and only when the price action breaks this resistance zone, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue, and next level of resistance from the daily time frame is going to be around 2006. And when we look at the past price action, this zone had acted as a very strong resistance zone. So wait for the price action to break this resistance zone if you want to freshly enter on the bullish side trade in daily time frame, or else we can expect the price action to retrace back to retest on this trend line or the support line. And if the price action breaks this trend line, we can expect it to bounce back to retest on the previous support level, which is going to be between 1950 to 1938 from the daily time frame. So if you want to freshly enter on the bullish side trade within this resistance zone, I would recommend you to wait for it to retest on this support line, based on which you can enter on the bullish side trade, because as long as it is trading above this trend line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in daily time frame. Let us look at the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1976 and resistance level of 1983. Once the price action breaks its support level of 1976 and continues its bearish side retracement, next level of support is going to be around 1971, 1966, 1960, 1950 and 1938 on the bearish side. And if the price action takes support on the higher time frame support level of 1970 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, breaking the current resistance level of 1983, next level of resistance is going to be around 1992 and 2007. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Dear traders, if you are still watching my video and if you like my video analysis, please encourage me by pressing that like button. So when we look at the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame, currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1975 and resistance level of 1979. And if the bearish side retracement continues, the next level of support is going to be around 1973, 1970, 1966, 1962 and 1955 on the bearish side. And if the price action takes support on the current support level of 1975 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, breaking the current resistance level of 1979, next level of resistance is going to be around 1984. Please refer the higher time frame resistance levels for the bullish side targets. That's all the analysis for today. Hope you have found this video to be useful. Please press that like button and share this video with your friends. We'll come back with a new video analysis for Monday. Thank you for watching.